Podcast title: Empowering Financial Well-Being: The Rise of Credit Builders in Fintech. Introduction. Welcome to Empowering Financial Well-Being, the podcast where we explore groundbreaking innovations in the world of fintech that are transforming how we manage our finances. Today, we are diving into the rise of credit builders and their impact on financial inclusion and well-being. Segment 1: The Importance of Creditworthiness. In today's financial landscape, your credit score is more than just a number. It's a key to unlocking financial opportunities. Whether it's securing a loan, getting a mortgage, or even landing a job, a strong credit score can significantly impact your life. Traditionally, building a good credit history has been a long and arduous process, often requiring years of consistent financial behavior and access to traditional credit products like credit cards or mortgages. This has left many individuals, especially those with limited or no credit history, struggling to establish their creditworthiness. Segment 2: Enter Credit Builders. Enter Credit Builder Tools, a revolutionary solution in the fintech industry. Also known as credit building loans, these tools offer a unique pathway for individuals to build or enhance their credit scores. Here's how they work. Credit builder loans provide small, manageable loans designed specifically to boost your credit score. As you make consistent, timely repayments, your credit score improves, reflecting your positive financial behavior. This not only helps you build a strong credit history but also opens doors to a wider range of financial opportunities. Segment 3: The Impact of Credit Builders. The benefits of credit builders go beyond just improving credit scores. They play a crucial role in promoting overall financial well-being and inclusion. Enhanced financial opportunities. With an improved credit score, individuals can access a broader range of financial products, including loans, mortgages, and credit cards, often with more favorable terms and lower interest rates. Financial education and awareness. Many credit builder tools come with financial education resources, helping users understand and adopt responsible financial management practices. Promoting financial stability. By fostering a culture of financial responsibility and creditworthiness, credit builders contribute to the overall financial stability of individuals and communities. Segment 4: The Future of Credit Builders in Fintech. The future of credit builders in fintech looks promising, with several exciting developments on the horizon. Personalized credit building plans. Advanced algorithms are enabling credit builder platforms to tailor loan amounts, repayment schedules, and educational resources to each individual's unique financial situation and goals. Integration with financial management tools. Credit builders are increasingly being integrated with broader financial management tools, providing users with a holistic view of their finances and encouraging responsible financial behavior. Conclusion. Credit builders are revolutionizing the way we approach creditworthiness, making it easier for everyone to build a strong financial foundation. As these tools continue to evolve, they promise to bring even greater benefits to individuals and communities, promoting financial inclusion and well-being.